Tired of losing track of that dream home you favorited on Zillow? Let's dive right in and show you the super simple way to find all your saved homes directly on Zillow Maps. First, head over to Zillow.com in your web browser or open up the Zillow app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into your Zillow account. Your saved homes are linked to your profile, so this is a crucial step. Click the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Once you're logged in, look for the Map button, typically positioned in the center navigation bar. Click on it. This will switch you over to Zillow's interactive map view. Now, on the map interface, find the heart-shaped icon. It may be labeled as Saved or My Zillow. This little heart is your key to unlocking all your favorited properties. The button is normally in the top right corner of the map. Click on the Saved or My Zillow heart. This will open a panel usually on the left side of your screen, displaying a list of all the properties you've previously saved. You will also see little heart icons appear on the map itself, marking the locations of your saved homes. To view a specific saved home, either click on its listing in the panel or click directly on the corresponding heart icon on the map. A small information window will pop up, giving you a quick preview. From the preview window, click on the View Home button. This will take you to the full property listing, where you can review all the details, photos, and information you saved it for in the first place. And that's it. Now you can easily revisit all your saved homes on Zillow Maps. Happy house hunting!